Ever had one of those mornings where your shower just decides not to cooperate? That drip, 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 or maybe water pooling around your feet. It's definitely more than just annoying, right?
Oh, absolutely. It can throw off your whole day.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So today we're going beyond just the drip. We're doing a deep dive into shower repair services, focusing specifically on what homeowners in Kitsilano, Vancouver need to know. We've looked at the sources you provided, and we're here to unpack the essentials for you.
Sounds good. It's an important topic.
Okay, so let's talk about the usual suspects. What are the main things that go wrong in a shower? Our sources point to 5 really common ones. First up, leaky faucets.
The classic.
Right. And it's not just the sound. A single leaky faucet can waste thousands of gallons a year. That can seriously inflate your water bill.
Yeah, it's surprising how much it adds up. And people often don't notice until that bill arrives.
Then you've got cracked tiles. These might look like just a cosmetic thing, but nope.
Not at all. Those cracks are basically tiny doorways for water.
Letting water seep into the walls.
Right.
Causing hidden rot, maybe mold.
Exactly. Which leads nicely into the next point. Mold grows itself. That's a big one. It's not just unsightly. It's a real health hazard. And it almost always means there's a hidden moisture issue somewhere.
And then there are clogged drains, super frustrating when the water starts backing up.
Definitely interrupts the shower experience.
And finally, faulty shower heads. The ones that kill your water pressure or just spray water everywhere but on you. Plus, an inefficient one wastes water too.
All common issues, and all signal that something needs attention. What's really crucial is recognizing these signs early. Persistent leaks, maybe water stains appearing, even odd noises from the pipes.
Those are red flags.
Big red flags. And while, trying a DIY fix might seem like a good way to save money.
Uh-oh, I sense a butt coming.
Yeah. It often ends up being a false economy. Homeowners generally don't have the specific expertise to diagnose the root cause, so you might fix the symptom but miss the underlying problem.
Leading to bigger issues later.
Precisely. Or just an incomplete repair that fails again soon. Professionals have the right skills, the specialized tools, and access to better materials for a lasting fix. Plus, they know the local building codes and safety standards. It avoids headaches down the line.
Okay, that makes sense. Investing in a pro avoids those hidden pitfalls. So, when you do call a professional, what happens first? Is it just a quick glance?
No, it's much more thorough. The first step is always a really comprehensive assessment. This isn't a 5-minute job. It usually takes maybe 1 to 2 hours.
An hour or two, wow.
Yeah, they meticulously check everything. Faucets, tiles, grout, drains, the shower head, even behind the walls if possible, looking for both the obvious and the hidden problems. That detailed diagnosis is key to planning the right repair.
So they figure out the whole picture first.
Exactly. And once they know what's needed, they use specific techniques and, importantly, high-quality materials. You'll often see them using durable ceramic tiles, maybe ones with a high PEI rating for wear.
PEI rating?
Yeah, it's Porcelain Enamel Institute basically measures how resistant the tile glaze is to abrasion, and they'll likely use something like epoxy grout.
Ah, I've heard of that. Better than the old cement stuff.
Oh, way better. Epoxy grout is non-porous. It doesn't absorb water, doesn't stain easily, and it's highly resistant to mold and mildew. It creates a really watertight, long-lasting seal.
So thorough diagnosis, the right material. But you mentioned this goes beyond just fixing the leak. What's the bigger picture for homeowners?
Right. It really connects to 3 key benefits. First, your property value. A well-maintained, functioning bathroom, especially the shower, significantly boosts your home's appeal and value. It's a solid return on investment, particularly if you plan to sell.
Makes sense. Buyers notice bathrooms.
They really do. Second, health and hygiene. Proper repairs eliminate mold and mildew sources, which, as we said, can cause respiratory issues, so it literally creates a healthier home environment for you.
That's a huge point. And the third?
Environmental responsibility. Fixing leaks drastically cuts down on water waste. Simple as that. Plus, many pros are now using eco-friendly options like low VOC paints and sealants for better air quality, installing water-efficient fixtures, and even recycling the old materials they remove.
It's interesting how a shower repair ties into sustainability. And speaking of progress, are there innovations changing shower repairs?
Definitely. We're seeing more smart showers, for example. You can control temperature precisely, set limits, even track water usage. Great for convenience and conservation.
Okay, high-tech showers.
Yeah, and also new materials like waterproof wall panels. They can be installed over existing tiles sometimes, offer great durability, look modern, and are super low maintenance.
And what about peace of mind after the repair?
That's where warranties come in. Reputable professionals usually back their work, covering both the labor and the materials used. That gives you crucial reassurance.
Knowing you're covered if something unexpected happens.
Exactly. And beyond the initial repair, ongoing care is important too.
Like regular cleaning.
Regular cleaning, yes, but also maybe periodic professional checkups or inspections. They can catch potential issues early before they become big, expensive problems. Oh, and a little known fact. Consistently using excessively hot water can actually degrade some shower materials over time. So being mindful of temperature helps too.
Good tip. So bringing it all together for you, the listener, making smart choices about shower repair isn't just about stopping a drip. It's really about protecting your home investment, ensuring your family's health, and even playing a part in environmental conservation.
Which leads to a final thought for you to ponder. How does paying proactive attention to something seemingly small, like a shower fix, reflect a wider commitment to the long-term health and value of your home? And maybe what other parts of your home could benefit from that same kind of informed preventative thinking?